Adjusting the blower speed CFM on your furnace and air conditioner can totally change how comfy your place feels and even save you some cash on energy bills. So, first off, if your supply air feels way too hot or cold compared to what it should be, that's a big clue your airflow might be off. Like, if the air coming out is super hot in heating mode or ice cold in cooling mode but the room still feels off, you probably got to tweak the blower speed. Another thing is humidity. If your house feels sticky or dry even though your thermostat says it's fine, the airflow could be messing with how your system handles moisture. And speaking of thermostats, if your temperature keeps overshooting the target, like it gets too warm or cold before settling, that can mean airflow is either too strong or too weak. You might also notice your system's thermal switches tripping often, which happens when the blower speed isn't right and parts are overheating. When people in the house complain about hot or cold spots, or just general discomfort, that's a clear sign something's up with the airflow balance. To fix this, start by checking your system's manual for recommended blower settings based on your home size and ductwork. Then, adjust the blower speed in small steps. Test the temps and comfort levels after each change, and keep an eye on humidity and thermostat behavior to see if things improve. One of the biggest mistakes folks make when adjusting HVAC blower speed CFM is guessing without any real data, just cranking it up or down and hoping for the best. That usually leads to wasted energy and more discomfort. The fix? Use a digital thermometer and humidity gauge to get actual readings before making changes. Another common issue is ignoring ductwork problems like leaks or blockages that mess with airflow no matter how you change the blower speed. Make sure to inspect and seal ducts if needed before adjusting the blower. Lastly, many forget to check their system's air filter. If it's clogged, no blower speed setting will help much. Changing filters regularly keeps airflow steady and makes adjusting blower speed way more effective. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want trusted local contractors without the hassle of endless searching or shady reviews. And contractors love it because it connects them with real clients looking for their exact skills, making it easier to grow their business.